Hi friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. So last class we had discussed about how to set the environment for the first hello world program in JavaScript. Okay, in this session I would like to explain different ways to display the content in the web pages. So in this session I would like to explain different ways to display content in web pages. Okay, so we have first one document.write. Okay, it is used for testing purpose. Okay, so and also we have windows.alert. We can also call it as a alert boxes. So we will write windows.alert. Okay, and third one is the most important one, not to send the text through HTML element. So we use inner HTML. Okay, now to manipulate the elements using this inner HTML, we can use this inner HTML. Okay, and I'm trying to explain, before going to explain about these three topics, I would like to explain JavaScript syntax. Okay, so for JavaScript syntax, so how to write the JavaScript? Okay, so we can always write the JavaScript in the script tag itself. Okay, we need to write here script, and along here inside we can write a statements. Okay, in modern JavaScript it represents, we can write here type equal to. Okay, so it indicates that which type of text by JavaScript. Okay, so actually it's a okay, so actually it is not necessary, like it is not mandatory to write this type here. Okay, it is an optional. Okay, whether you can write or else you can omit it this one, no problem. Okay, so coming to here, so there are three ways to insert scripts in JS. Okay, one is internal JS. Okay, another one is inline JS. We can write external JS. Okay, so let me see an example. Let me go to this Visual Studio. So create new file. Now I can save the file with JavaScript syntax. Let me create a program, JavaScript syntax. Okay, so for this one, so every language have some comments. JavaScript also having some comments. So here there are two types of comments available in JavaScript. So one is okay, so single line comments, and multiple line comments. Okay, so how to create a comments in the sense, let me create a script first. Okay, so this is the internal JavaScript, internal JS. Okay, so inside of script we can forward by double slash. It indicates the comments in the JS. Okay, so here we go. I want to place some text here. Okay, so first I'm just writing a output statement document.write. It is a testing purpose. So here I'm just writing a document.write. Okay, inside of this we'll send a message here, hello guys, good morning or good evening. Okay, So there is a output statement. I just write here document.write. Hello guys, good evening. Let me run this one on the browser. Right click, open in default browser so that the text will be visible in the browser itself. Okay, and this is just internal JavaScript, external JavaScript file. To create external JavaScript, create new file. Now you can save the file with main.js. Okay, I can save the file here. Now, so we need to give a link here. For setting up this link, we can write external JS file. Okay, so we use here script and we can set src. Okay, main.js file. Okay, and for here we need to write a document dot get element by id. So inside id we are mention this demo. Okay, dot inner html, and I can write here hello guys, welcome to JavaScript. Okay, followed by semicolon. Now go to this. So we can run this one on the JavaScript. We can run this on the browser. Open in default browser. So we'll get here. Hello guys, welcome to JavaScript. So we can also make this external in the header section. Now go to this browser. Reload this page. Okay, see we didn't get an output here because of the page will be load from top to bottom. So first it will load the doc type HTML, again it will load this external JS. After that we can load this H2. Okay, so in order to work this one we use here differ. Okay, so differ is the one once entire HTML is loaded, then only after that it will be a script will be loaded. Okay, that is the reason we mentioned differ statement will be it just postpone this script after completion of HTML. Okay, after completion of HTML execution, then the script will be loaded so that we'll get the output here. Okay, so like we can set the different types of JavaScript in HTML, and we can also change this one using inline.js. Okay, for inline.js I'm trying to create one button. Okay, so for button we can write here an on click equal to. So before on click I'm trying to write here, I'll do one thing. I'm trying to create one function my function. Okay, so inside I'll cut this one, I'll paste it inside of this one. I'm just calling this function name itself here. Okay, and just paste it. Okay, and for this I'm copying this one, I'll paste it here. So inside of function, okay, so I'm going to change this one to hello good morning. I'm changing this message to good morning. Now go to this browser. So for button I can write here click me. So go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so just I'm click on this one so that the text will be changed. So this is an inline.js. We can write here inline. We can mention in inline JavaScript. So like we can mention different types of syntaxes in JavaScript.